Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Blast.
What's your name? What is your name?
Blast.
No. Who are you?
Mama.
Who's that on the screen?
Simon.
Yeah. Who's that up there?
Mama.
Yeah. What are we doing? We're making dinosaur faces? That's pretty good. What about elephant noise?
Let's
Elephant.
noise.
What's an elephant sound like? Yeah, good. What does a kitty cat sound like? That's an angry kitty cat. What's a doggy sound like? Good. What does a cow sound like?
Moo.
Yeah, what about a goat? What about a goat?
Goat.
Yeah, what's a goat say?
Bah.
Yeah. What about a sheep?
Bah.
Yeah, sheep says that too. Horsey?
Mama.
Did you say llama? What's a llama sound like? Maybe. I don't know. What about a horse?
Horse.
What's a horsey say? Yeah. What else? What about a dolphin?
Huh?
That one's hard. You know what a dolphin sounds like?
No.
No.
Dolphin
What about
sounds.
a lion? Lion. What's a lion sound like? No. What's a lion say? That sounds like a snake. What about a dinosaur? No, do your big dinosaur roar again. Yeah. What else? What's your favorite animal?
Mama.
What is it? What animal do you like, Simon? Mama likes elephants the best.
Yes.
Yes, you too? I thought you liked doggies and kitties. Woof! What about a kitty cat? Why are you an angry kitty cat? What's a car sound like? What does a motorcycle sound like? Yeah. What about an ambulance? Yeah. What about a police car? Is it the same thing or is it different? What's a police car sound like? Well, I guess so. What about okay, last one. What about fire truck? Can you say fire truck?
Ambulance.
You like ambulances better? Just like, is it the same as an ambulance? What do they sound like? What's a fire truck sound like?
Same.
Who's that? Make a fire truck sound.
Where?